Good afternoon, Mr. and Mrs. H. So I'm here at the villa just to have a quick iPhone. Kala ko nagbuhos na sila. Ayun na yung sa pool. May mga screen na doon. Ayun, kita mo yung screen. This is the screen. Pero hindi pa sila na. Ay, may mga graba na. Sunod na ata niyan is buhos. Hello po. Good morning. Ay, sige lang. Salamat. Ayan, let's go upstairs. Ayan, meron ng mga parang plastering dito. Ayan. Ay, taray nitong CR. Meron na siya yung parang kakabitan ng tawag ito. Yung sa heater, tapos sa water line. Tapos ayan, nagkakaroon na rin ng lalagyan na kasi nila yan ng tiles. Ito, ready for the power supply. So, dito yung bowl. Dito yung lavatory. Ayan. Ayan, may mga plastering na itong mga how do you call this? The ceiling. Same with here. Let's go to the master bedroom. Ayan. Ayan, naka-plastering na yan. Buo na rin pala dito. Ah, nabuhusan na nila. They're already for the right here. So, that's the... Come on. Ayan. This is for the, what do you call this? Toilet bowl, shower, and lavatory. Wow. And this will be... We're gonna put some hollow blocks here. This will be the one for the water tank. And this is the, what do you call that? For the pipes, for the water tank, in and out, the in and out pipes. And ta-da! That will be the bracket or brace for the AC. See, there's a lot of progress here. And then, oh, can't go here. Let's go with it. Oh, same with here. To put some plasters. With the ceiling also. And then right here is same. Here there's a lot of plastering here. Ayan. Tapos okay na rin etong pinakalalagyan ng glass door. Glass sliding door. Ayan. Okay na siya. So ready for sukat na siya. Kasi pipinturahan na lang yan. Imamasilya, tapos pipinturahan. I'm here at the balcony right now. And that is the pool. They already put some gravel there. This is the kiddie pool. This is the adult pool. And I think maybe tomorrow they were going to pour the cement. Yeah. I think so. And there's a pipe, as you can see. That's the pipe. And I don't know where. There. That's the pipe of the adult pool. Going to the filter or the pump room. And there's a pipe on the different side of the pool. There you are. There's a lot of progress. And this is the electric supply going to the different socket or socket of the universe. Okay, diba? There's a lot. This is the storage room. Day off ata nila or long stay. Pero alam ko day off kasi mga hindi sila naka-uniform.